Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OAuth with Auth0 for signup UX flows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Auth0 dashboard. Next, navigate to the Applications section. Click on the application you want to connect with OAuth. In your application settings, locate the allowed callback URLs field. Enter the URL where your application will receive the OAuth callback. Ensure you also set the allowed logout URLs for user logout handling. Now, head over to the API section in the dashboard. Create a new API if you haven't already. Define a unique name and identifier for your API. Set the signing algorithm to a suitable option, such as RS-256. Save the newly created API settings. Next, select the Connections tab. Enable the OAuth connection you plan to use for signup flows. Configure any necessary settings specific to that OAuth provider. Now, go back to your application settings. Ensure that the OAuth connection you enabled is checked under the Connections section. Move on to your front-end application code. Install the Auth0 SDK for your chosen programming framework. Import the Auth0 SDK into your application files. Initialize the Auth0 client with your domain and client ID. Now, set up the signup functionality within your application. Create a function to handle the signup process using the Auth0 client. In this function, redirect the user to the OAuth provider's signup page. Once the user completes the signup, they will be redirected to the callback URL. On your callback page, handle the OAuth response. Use Auth0's SDK to parse the authentication result. Store the authentication token securely for future requests. Finally, implement error handling for any signup errors that may occur. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.